Yes, class 10th students. So today I'm going to explain a program of constructor, and on the basis of that you have to do another program which I'll give you as assignment. So the question for the constructor that the program I'll explain you today is this. So we have to define a class with name as movie magic, and these descriptions are given. So class, the instance variables are defined over here and the member method. So first we'll see the instance variable. They have said कि int year, we have to store the year, string title to store the name of the movie, then float rating, the rating we will give. So rating is given in floating because they have defined the maximum and the minimum rating is 0.0 and 5.0. Between this we have to rate a movie. So that should be taken in float. The member method given number one is movie magic. So they are defined already ki this is a default constructor. So we have to pass on the values. So we have to create it as a default constructor with the numeric data only. And if it is string is there, then we have to put double quotes. And void except. Void except means to input the data and to store the year, title, rating. So this all we are going to input in a function. Then void display to display the title of the movie and message based on the rating. So whatever we will display, that will be the SOPLN. Now this table is given. Okay, this table is given with the ratings and what the message to be displayed. So suppose if your movie rates between 0.0 and 2.0, then you have to rate flop. If 2.1, 3.4, then it will be a semi-hit. 3.5, 4.5, then it will be a hit. 4.6 and 5.0, then it will be a super hit. Hence, we have to write a main method to create an object of the class, and we are called the above methods. So we have to display the title and the rating of the movie. So as this program I am making from scanner classes, if you want you can make it from input buffer reader also. So we have taken the syntax import.java.util.scanner, then class name was defined in the question, that is movie magic. Then the variables they are set to take int year, these are data members, int year, string title and float rating. This we have to take because floating was in decimal number, so we have to take the data type float. String, you will write the alphabet, so you will take the string, and years it will be number, so you will take the integer form. So this I have taken. Then later on you will put the scanner syntax, scanner in equals to new scanner system.in, as we used to put always. Now they have said movie magic, so we have to create it. Movie magic. So your year is equals to 0, we have taken over here, and this rating equals to 0.0. So this I have taken because it was given in the question. You have to take default constructor, you have to initialize this default constructor with the year and with the rating. So rating will be in float, so I have taken 0.0 and year will be 0, whatever the user will give that we will write later on. Okay, because it was a default, so it will take the default values. Now they said to create a next void except. This is a function, we have to expect the values over here. They said to input and store year, title and rating. So we are storing here year, title and rating. System.out.print, the user will enter the year, title and rating, and you will write in this form because we are making it from scanner class. So that's why we will write in dot next int, year is an int, title is in string, so we will write in dot next, and rating will be in float, so we will write in dot next float. Okay, now they said to do the void display function. So for void display they said to display the title of the movie and the message based on the ratings. The table was given to us, remember? So this void display will be, they said if the rating will be equals to 2.0, means it will be less than 2.0, or equals to 2.0 means it will be existing from 0 to 2.0. If the movie exists from 0.2.0, then you have to print the movie will be flop. So we have printed in SOPLNR statement. Similarly, we will go for the others. Like if the rating is between 2.1 and 3.4. Okay. So we will write what will print. The movie is a semi-hit. And now if the rating exists between 3.5 and 4.5, so movie will be a hit. So this all the conditions are given in the book only.
The last was, if the rating exists between 4.6 and 5.0, so your movie will be super hit. So this we have printed according to the condition. Now we will close it and we will create a main class, public static void main string args, as we used to create in all the programs. So here we are calling the above defined methods, above defined function. Okay, so first one, the class was created movie magic. So we have created the object of this movie magic, ob equals to new movie magic and braces and semicolon. Afterwards we are going to call the function that we have created void accept. So we have created object now, because in the main method we have to call it by the object. So ob dot accept and ob dot display, semicolons and braces close. So this is the main calling of the function based on the objects. Now your output will be displayed according to the user requirement. What you have to do now, I am giving you a question. On the basis of that, on the basis of this program, you have to make that program in your copy yourselves. So this is a question. You have to define a class named as book fair. Here what the name was movie magic, and now your class name will be book fair. And these are the description. Data members are given that you will define. Then functions you will create, methods you will create. You will made a constructor to initialize the data member. They have not said which type of constructor, so it is your choice. You can make it default also, parameterize also, and copy also. And these two functions, input and calculate, that you will make. After that, table is given on the basis of which you have to give the condition as I have given for the rating of the movie. Then in the last you have to display the name, the price of the book after the discount. And a main method means the class you are going to create. PSVM means public static void main, that you are going to create and call the objects over there. So this is your assignment that you have to do yourselves in your copy.